Assalamu alaikum dear fellows. How are you doing all? How is study going? Okay, so this video today is about vocabulary, and I made this video as a possible. I've put my possible effort to make this video for you. So let's start this video. So in order to increase your vocabulary, there are certain type of factors you have to keep in your mind. Like there are thousands and many more different types of words in this vocabulary. So we don't have to memorize all. We have to see their root words or keywords, we can say. So the first word we have is FID. F-I-A-D. The first word is FID. It means that trust, faith, loyal. Okay, so this is word FID. Like this, when we are using this word, we can use many other words. So this FID would be in front of the word, in middle of the word, or end of the word. So wherever you find this FID, that means loyal, faithful, or trustworthy. Okay, so like see the example here. Like the example here, we have first fidelity. So fidelity is a noun that means loyalty, faithfulness. The second words we have infidelity. See this word in and this, and these types of other words like prefixes, dismiss, in, these are the negative prefixes. So this means they have negative sense. So here we have it was fidelity, that means loyalty. Now here we have infidelity, that means disloyalty, and faithlessness. You have to keep in your mind that these types of prefixes, in, dismiss, these are negative types of prefixes. I'll make another video on these suffixes and prefixes in vocabulary, but for this first word we have this. Okay, the next word is confident. That is adjective. Confident means bold, fearless, convinced. Convinced also means that fearless. So here you have to keep put your attention on this word. The word is confident, C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T. And to increase your vocabulary, you have to also use these words into your usages, like into your daily conversation or into your daily English writing paragraphs. You have to use these words. So here notice this word confident, C-O-N-F-I-D-E-N-T. that is adjective, that means bold, fearless, convinced. There is another word that means confident, C-O-N-F-I-D-A-N-T. There is only one difference, that is in spelling. Here there is E and here there is A. So here this confident means trustworthy. Okay, now see that, like if you'll put notice on these, like see that this fidelity, there was FID, and this FID, but here this was the prefixes, negative prefixes. So this was also the same meaning, loyalty, but you have to see that prefix and suffix also. And this word there is a FID, and this word there is also FID. So these all words contain same meaning, that is loyalty, faithfulness, trustworthy. Okay, the next word we have confide. Confide is a verb. There is FID also. So confide, verb to share secret with someone you trust. Like this is the same type of word also. This contains FID. So that also means like to share the secret with someone you trust. So there is the word trust here. So you know that this FID means trust, faith, and loyal. This is the key word, and the word confide means also to share secret with someone you trust. The next word is bona fide. There is also FID. This bona fide is adjective, that means genuine and authentic. This word is too common. You have also heard this so many times, that affidavit form or affidavit. So that is a noun. Okay, affidavit is a document of affirmation and trust. The next word is diffident. That is shy, hesitant. There are some type of words which don't contain these loyalty. You have to also keep in mind these. Okay, so the next word is diffident. That is adjective. That means shy and hesitant. And this is malefied. Its prefix is used malefied. So this is a negative kind of sentence. That means illegal and fake. So you have to keep in mind the suffixes and prefixes that are used in the in a word. I'll make a separate video on that also. Keep visiting my channel. This is perfidy. That is noun. That is also means faithlessness and deceitfulness. Okay, so this was for this field. That means trust, faith, loyal. And these types of words contain these with this field word. Practice these words, use in your sentences and your daily conversation and in your writing. Keep them in writing practice so that it would be better for your vocabulary. It will increase your vocabulary. Okay, so keep sharing with your friends, your fellows. Please like my channel and subscribe my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.